I guess you're already familiar with the Binance app. Probably you've been using it to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. But hold on, do you know that there are various things you can use with the Binance app apart from just using it to buy and sell cryptocurrencies? Well, I'll be introducing you to one of such things right here in this video. So in this video, I'll simply be showing you how to buy airtime from the Binance app, be it MTN network, Glo network, whatever network you're using in Nigeria. Directly from the Binance app, you buy the airtime and it will be sent to your phone within a matter of seconds. So in case you're stumbling upon this YouTube channel for the first time, Chibuzo is my name and Blog Infotech is the name of the channel. It's actually a technology channel and it's a tutorial based channel. So I see no reason why you shouldn't be part of this channel. So to be part of this channel, you can simply hit the subscribe button. Well, turn the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I put up my next tutorial videos just like this. Or you can easily go to the playlist of this channel and watch other technology related videos that will be beneficial to you. Now, having done that, now let's jump right into how to buy airtime directly to your phone using the Binance app. Let's jump into it. So open your Binance app, and the first thing you need to note is to ensure that you have some good amount of cryptocurrencies and preferably USDT. So as you can see, I have 2.48 USDT. So once you're here, the next thing you do is to tap on more, and this will pop up. Then you scroll down below and you see where it says pay. So you tap on pay. So this will now come up. Let me just ignore this campaign. So as you can see, then the next option you see is the mobile top-up option, which is this very one. So you tap on it. So immediately the number you used to register your Binance will show there. So as you can see, my number is there, although I have to hide it. And looking down below, yes, it's MTN Nigeria. But alternatively, you can choose other networks, just like I said. You can choose MTN, Airtel, Glo, and 9 Mobile. So let me top up this very account that I'm using. So the next thing you do, you see the available currencies that are there, but you can still tap on more and choose your preferred one. So for a start, as an example in this video, let me top up 100 Naira to that mobile number that is displayed above. So tap on 100. Then the payment confirmation screen will come up. Let's hold on and see. MTN Nigeria 100 Naira to so number, and you'll be charged 11 cents. As you can see, 0.11 USDT. So you have to go ahead and see confirm. I want to use this very number I'm using to screen record this video so that we'll see the notification once it comes in. So verify with passkey. Yes, it's my verification. You have to verify. Yes, let me use my verification process. It depends on the verification process you used in confirming your transaction. So as you can see, let's see, mobile top-up completed. So automatically I have received the amount. As you can see, that pop-up that came up below is coming from MTN Nigeria, which indicates that I've received 100 Naira airtime from Binance. So you can see how easy it is for you to buy airtime from your Binance app directly to your mobile number, be it Airtel Nigeria, MTN Nigeria, Globacom Nigeria, or 9 Mobile Nigeria. But I don't really know if this feature is available in any other Binance users outside Nigeria, but you can try it out and see if it works. So if you have any questions, go to the comment section and ask. And I see no reason why. So as you can see, this is the confirmation. That's what I'm waiting for. MTN top up, and yes, an account recharge of 100 Naira was given. So that's what I've been waiting for us to see the confirmation before I end this video. So I haven't seen that. Yes, I can easily end the video now. So I see no reason why you shouldn't share this video to any of your friends using Binance that want to top up their SIM using Binance app. So do that, and yes, it always comes in handy, especially when you're in an area where you can't find the physical recharge card. So share this video for your friends for them to see, and also like and go to the comment section and tell me if you've used it and it worked for you, and ask any question you want to ask below. So before you leave, simply don't forget to hit the subscribe button and watch out for my next video. Bye bye for now.